A Greene County woman was arrested and charged last weekend in connection to a possible sex crime against a family member. Was in Greene County Juvenile and Domestic Relations Court, JDR, on Thursday, August 5th, and were held without bond by Honorary David M. Barreto. Christine Weston Chandler, 39, of Ruckersville, was arrested by Henrico County Police on Sunday, according to a news release from the Greene County Sheriff's Office. She is currently facing one charge of incest for an alleged sexual assault against a member of her family, a Class 5 felony that can carry a term of imprisonment of not less than 1 year or more than 10 years and a fine of up to $2,500. Greene County General District Court Judge Kenneth Andrew Cesarin appointed Charlottesville attorney David Halberg to represent Chandler on Wednesday, and based on the nature of the offense, moved it to JDR for bond. At that time, Chandler asked to be addressed with female pronouns. Greene County Commonwealth's Attorney Edwin Consalvo asked Judge Barreto to continue to hold Chandler without bond at the Central Virginia Regional Jail in Orange County because he's concerned about the community's safety and Miss Chandler's safety. Also known as Chris Chan, Chandler has been a subject of obsessive internet vitriol and trolling for more than a decade following the creation of her Son a True character and webcomic. She's also a blogger and YouTuber who has roughly 60,000 followers on Twitter. She's also previously known as Christian Chandler prior to publicly identifying herself as a woman several years ago. Consalvo said it's clear that people sought out where Chandler was staying at a hotel in Henrico and videotaped her arrest. Chandler interrupted the proceedings saying, "I'm famous on the internet," loudly, and then Halberg told her not to speak until spoken to by the court. Chandler was sworn to summarize a plan she had for bond. However, she didn't appear to address that and instead asked the court to allow her to go pick up personal possessions and said she would be willing to proceed with everything if she can get that done. Judge Barreto told Chandler that there are two things to consider when deciding bond: whether the defendant is likely to appear at trial, and if the defendant constitutes an unreasonable danger to himself, his family, or his community. Chandler again interrupted the judge, saying she. The judge said that he was reading from the state statute itself. Barreto said due to the nature of the offense alleged and the fact that there appears to be a personal danger to the defendant and to the public at large, he remanded her held without bond until the preliminary trial, scheduled for September 16th at 10 a.m. Halberg told the court that he will be asking for evaluations of Chandler, who interrupted by stomping her feet and saying loudly that she needed to get everything back home. She then said loudly, "I won't feel safe proceeding until she gets the items back." Barreto said Halberg could file for a possible bond review hearing at a later time since he had not yet met with Chandler until Thursday morning. Chandler was arrested following a Friday, July 30th post on a web forum dedicated to her life in which text and audio purported to be from Chandler described a series of sexual assaults against an elderly, disabled member of her family. The investigation is ongoing and additional charges are pending, according to the Greene County Sheriff's Office.